those who still need help after Hurricane Helene, the deadline to apply for FEMA assistance is just a couple of days away. You have until this Friday to request aid from the agency. A Lawrence County woman says she is still waiting for help. Solene Arif talked with her about the damage that has yet to be repaired.
Don't you want to see Being Jones? She's flickering her eyes now when I said Being Jones.
Cathryn Snell takes care of her sister Gloria, who has Alzheimer's disease. She was watching the news the night Helene came through and started shaking the entire house.
I went to pray, and I laid on top of Gloria and asked God to please not let her go this way to take me.
While their lives were spared, their roof wasn't.
It went as fast as it came, but I could hear the stuff just banging and flying everywhere.
Now what you're looking at here is part of her roof. This is so heavy, I definitely cannot lift it, but the wind did and it blew it right here into her yard.
It's in a mess. I hate for you to even see it.
The inside doesn't look much better. Water damage in almost every single room.
You smell mold all in the room. I got a little humid purifier got in there. I think that's affected me some, with my voice.
She heard that FEMA was offering assistance to her county after the hurricane. She applied and followed up.
I started calling them. And then when they opened up here at Lawrence High School, over at the middle school, I started going.
Each time she asked about her home damage, she was told FEMA hadn't issued a decision. And while her insurance gave her a check for some of her roof damage, she says she can't afford to fix the inside.
To go through what I have been going through all this time, and I'm still not nowhere.
Almost 5 months later, Helene's damage is still seen here in Dexter. Reporting in Lawrence County, Solene Arif, 13 WMAZ News.
We did call FEMA's public affairs specialist for the area, who told us he could not discuss the details of the case, but he did ask us to send along Snell's information for him to forward higher up. He also said you should still apply for aid even if you have insurance, because they may be able to cover damages insurance can't. To apply for that aid, go to disasterassistance.gov or call FEMA's helpline at 800-621-3362. Again, the deadline to apply is this Friday.